Hey guys, and welcome back to another Revv Eats Stay at Home special with me, Renee. And as promised on Instagram, I've got something succulent which we're going to be doing today. That's right, we are going to be doing a nice juicy steak. I know what you're probably thinking. There's just so many ways to get a steak prepared, from marinating it real basic with your salt and pepper, and of course in terms of cooking, well, just putting it in the pan or dumping it in the grill or the oven. So honestly, there's lots of ways to get it done. But what we're going to do is we're going to just show you two methods for getting it cooked. We'll be using my trusty cast iron pan and also the oven. And in terms of getting it marinated, we're going to put a couple of flavors just for you to experiment with. So before we get things started, let's show you how we got that steak prepared. Well, there you have it, folks, my sirloin steak. And what I did was I kind of dressed it up with a bit of asparagus and also some potatoes. And you can actually dress it up any way you want it as well. And for me personally, I love my steak well done, so I left it in the oven a bit longer, about 20 minutes. But if you're planning on having it medium rare, well, just adjust the temperature and the time accordingly. And also, the thing that really took us a lot of time is the marinating process. We actually left it in the fridge for about 7 hours. And you don't want to exceed 8 hours, because what happens is the acids from the marinades actually combines with your meat and actually breaks down the proteins if it's more than 8 hours, which you don't want to do. And what's going to happen is, if you put in more than 8 hours, you'll notice that your steak will have this little gleam of mushiness on it. Alright, so you want to avoid that. So marinate it between somewhere between 30 minutes or up to 7 hours or 8 hours. That's the maximum you want to do. Well, folks, that's all the time we have for right here on Revv Eats. And I certainly hope you found this steak ingredients or the way we did it interesting, and you might want to try it out for yourself or even share it with your friends. To find out more about Revv Eats and all the things we've done on Revv Evolution, whether it's our Revv lifestyle, our technology, our Revv motoring, make sure you check out our website right over there. And for the recipes as well, head on to the link which I'll provide you right at the end of this video. Till we catch you again, this is Renee, signing off.